Hi, my name is James and my teammate is Chen Kwang. Our project is going to be called NUS Focal. So as NUS students, we always feel that NUS services are over the place. For example, when I want to access course or access IBLE and uh, download things from my work bin, or if I want to access NUS mods, I have to navigate to the various URLs to access the service that I want. But we thought there surely has got to be a easier way to do this. So we came up with the idea of NUS Focal. So it's going to be a Chrome extension that replaces your new tab page. So every time when you click on a new tab, create new tab, it will navigate to our page, which has several widgets. And you can see, this widget is like a scheduler. It tells you what events are coming up next. We intend to link this to one's Google Calendar or to their NUS Mods account. Next, we have the IBRE Workbin Downloader, where students will be able to easily download the lecture notes or slides from IBRE without having to navigate all the way to IBRE, which takes up some time. Next, we have this widget that tells you how you spend your time. For example, maybe you spend 3 hours on YouTube and 5 hours on Facebook, and this is probably an indication that you should do something more productive right now. Finally, we intend to link it to NUS email as well, and so students don't have to navigate all the way to the NUS email to view their emails, and instead they can interact with their email from this widget. There will also be a small to-do list that where students can record things that they have to do. It serves as a convenience feature. So the core features are going to be as such. Firstly, we're going to create the IVLE Workbin integration, which is this widget, where students will be able to download um, things, download IVLE Workbin materials straight from the new tab page. And also, we've talked to a few of our friends, and there's this feature that that many of them ask for is for notifications on quizzes that are going to be due. So they felt that they always miss their quizzes, and they felt that they needed something to remind them. So they asked for notifications for all these things, and also notifications for when the tutor uploads let's say tutorial answers for the tutorial they just did, so that they can quickly verify their tutorial answers. And also, um, there's this feature that for me, when I use Chrome extensions such as Momentum, I feel that the most compelling reason for me to use it is that there's a very beautiful wallpaper that changes every day, and um, I feel that this should be one of the core features. There are many other additional features like tracking of time spent online. Focus mode is this mode where on a click of a button, it will block notifications from, let's say, Facebook and such, and restrict access to distracting websites, and only allow you to access websites such as Google Drive, Google Docs, for example, that helps one to focus. Next is integration with NUS mods or Google Calendar scheduling. And finally, we want to let the user be able to customize the widgets as well, which means they can remove this widget if they don't want it, for example, or shift the widgets around as they please. So for the stack, we're using MERN, Mongo Express React and Node plus Redux. The reason why we're going with this is that we have tried making Meteor apps before, and we want to learn something new. And this is a pretty hot stack right now. In fact, is what NUS mods uses right now. So we want to try the stack and see and learn from the experience, learn what's good and what's bad about this tech, and we're going to be using Webpack as well. Thank you.